Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be filming a very casual everyday makeup look with only drugstore products. A few weeks ago I had my car stolen near London and my whole makeup bag was in there, so I had to replace my makeup. And honestly, the idea of replacing a whole makeup bag full of high-end products was quite daunting. So I wasn't ready. So I went to the drugstore, picked up a few things, and honestly there are a few products in here that will be replacing some of the high-end products that I had. So I will be reviewing the different products that I use in this look. Some of them I will definitely keep in my makeup bag and some of them I'll just pass. But without further ado, let's get into this look. At the drugstore, I picked up the True Match foundation. This is an OG, has been on the market for such a long time, has so many different shades, and I've done a review on this foundation, I think almost 10 years ago, and I think I liked it. I have to watch it back, but I'm pretty sure I liked it, and I like it now. I've tested it out a few times, even for a wedding when it was 35 degrees outside, and it held. So I'll be using this one today, and I'll be using it with a damp sponge. Dab my sponge into the product and I start right here and I buff the whole foundation out. I bought this 2 or 3 weeks ago. I have been in the sun since, so it's a little bit lighter, but it's okay. But I feel like it's a match with my neck, so still pretty good. But my face has a little bit more color. We have had very good weather here the last couple of weeks, so yeah. I could go in with a second layer if I want to, but usually I just keep it to one layer. I have a blemish right here. I don't really care to fully hide it. It's fine. I just like to minimize its appearance, and that's exactly what this foundation is doing. So the next product that I picked up was this bronzer. Now, I would not recommend this one. It has a really good finish on the skin. The only thing that I absolutely hate is the packaging. It is very, very messy. So I'm going to use it, but it's a very annoying product to use. So I'm just going to put a little bit on my hand. I have this small brush right here, and I'm just going to work it into my brush and onto my face to bronze my face a little bit. It's a very subtle bronzing shade. I use it here on my nose where the sun hits naturally. I wouldn't recommend this product, but you know, it's not horrible. I bought it, so I'm not going to waste it. But the packaging is, maybe I just got a bad one, but it's not the first time that e.l.f. has bad packaging. Okay, so the next thing that I picked up was this little guy. This is the Catrice My Core Essential Blush and Multi-Use Stick in Peak Rose. And I'm just going to use my finger for this. You can use a brush, but I feel like the brush takes out a lot of the product. And it's the kind of product that you could keep in your purse and top up throughout the day, because I feel like it's not very long lasting. I wouldn't use it for a wedding makeup or an event makeup where you want your makeup to last all night, but I use it on holiday or every day where you want just a little bit of color, a light makeup, and you have this in your purse. You can just top it up throughout the day. Use your fingers to blend it out, and it looks really good. So yeah. Next we have I picked this up. This is the Essence Baby Got Freckles for Faux Freckles. And I'm usually not really a faux freckle girl, but this year I kind of into it. It's really easy to apply. It's very subtle and it has a very natural finish, but it dries really quickly. So you just have to like blend it as soon as you apply it. There you go. Next, so I have two lip liners. I have the Maybelline New York Lifter Liner in Line Lida, and I have the 8 Hour Matte Comfort Lip Liner by Essence in Cinnamon Spice. As you can see, I've been using the Maybelline one a lot more. So the product that I'm using on my lips right now is a NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Tiramisu. It's a very nice, comfortable gloss, has been on the market for a really long time, and I feel like it's now for the eyes, really when it's an everyday makeup, I tend to not really use anything on my eyes, not even mascara. I've been really into that lately, but I have been using the Faux Freckles pen by Essence just to line my eyes a little bit. It's a very nice brown shade. I will usually just line the upper lid, and sometimes I will do a line just below it, right here. So to finish, to set everything, I use the L'Oreal setting mist. This is the best setting mist I have ever used in my life. I used to use the Charlotte Tilbury one, and I actually wasn't too happy with it. So this is the last step, guys. I'm just going to use this. I'm not a fan of the smell. It doesn't smell bad, but I'm not a really big fan. But I'm a fan of the formula and the spray, everything. It's a really, really good product. That's it for this look. Thank you so much for watching. If you're still watching right now, I want to thank you for watching the whole video. It's been a while since I've been on camera. Haven't posted on YouTube in quite a while, but it feels really good to sit down and do this. And yeah, I hope you have a really good day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.